Are you looking to expand your business reach through video content, but have no idea where to start? Keep watching to learn the 8 most engaging types that every business owner can easily create. First up, we have talking A-roll content. This is typically you or someone else speaking in front of a camera. This type is great for product demonstrations and sharing expertise or knowledge. Next, we have B-roll content. These are visuals that support A-roll content and help break up your video into different and more engaging scenes. We now look at stock footage. This is pre-recorded footage you can either buy or find for free. This is perfect for when you don't have footage at hand. Let's now take a look at screen recordings. This type is ideal for tutorials or walkthroughs and can show customers how your product or service works, as well as how to do a certain task. You can also screen record interviews, meetings, courses, and use as content. You can also create video from slideshows. Do you have a good PowerPoint document packed with information? Hit Save as Movie and use it on your channels. Another great type is text-only video. These are amazing for sharing quick tips and highlighting key information. Add animations and catchy music or voiceovers to make it more engaging. Speaking of animations, these types of video do great for storytelling and simplifying complex information. Use them to explain your product or service, educate your audience on a chosen topic, or just as a fun type of content. Finally, we have a standard photo video. These are used to create short but visually appealing clips that effectively highlight key topics. So there you have it. Video content is becoming more and more popular each day. So why not try out one of these types for your business?